Hello guys, I am Shrid her boy. So many of you ask why this is looking like a bubble text. Because this community is updated to P.B.C 2.0. It is updated because of Dussehra festival. Dussehra is a very important festival for Hindus because it teaches us that good always wins over evil. The festival is celebrated to remember two great stories, victory of Lord Rama in the Ramayana. Lord Rama fought against the evil king Ravana, who had kidnapped his wife Sita, which is also called Durga Puja. Durga Puja is started on 9th October and ends on 13th October. Durga Puja is a Hindu festival that celebrates the goddess Durga's victory over the demon Mahishasura. The festival is celebrated in many states of India, including Orissa, West Bengal, Assam, Tripura, and Bihar. 9th October, Wednesday is Maha Sasti. 10th October, Thursday is Saptami. 11th October, Friday is Astami. 12th October, Saturday is Navami. 13th October, Sunday is Vijaya Dashami or Dussehra festival. In 2024, this grand 5-day celebration, also known as Durgotsava, will begin on Tuesday, October 8th. Apart from its profound religious importance, Durga Puja unites millions of devotees, especially in India, fostering a cultural and spiritual gathering that signifies the triumph of good over evil. Rama worshipped Durga underneath a bilva tree, chanting the Devi Sukta and other tantric hymns. For her propitiation, pleased Durga appeared before Rama and blessed him with victory and the boon of being able to slay Ravana, armed with a weapon granted to him by Durga. Rama was able to kill Ravana. Goddess Durga was created to fight the evil demon Mahishasura. Lord Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva combined their powers to construct the powerful goddess Ma Durga to kill Mahishasura, who troubled humanity on earth and the gods in heaven. Here's their story. 2nd October, Wednesday was Mahalaya, and 3rd October, Thursday was Navaratri Puja. 14th October, Monday is Durga Ma Basani. Means it's time to say goodbye to Ma Durga. I hope you have very enjoyable day. School have Dussehra vacation, but on tuition have 10th October to 14th October. Before ending the video, happy Dussehra to all Orissa, West Bengal, Assam, Tripura, and Bihar audience. Now let's pray to Ma Durga. Jai Ma Durga. Let's go to do Dussehra vacation.